we're producing a detail out of a certain material and we're painting it with a certain color. In order to make the calculations for that detail, we have a drawing of the cross-section of the detail and the three-dimensional drawing. We know that dimension has the depth of L, which is 600 centimeters, its height is 90 centimeters, its width is 60 centimeters, and it has a hole drilled into it, which the diameter of which is 30 centimeters. Now the engineers, and we're often working together and getting data from the engineering side into Excel, the engineers have calculated all the necessary parameters of that detail, namely the volume is 3,03 cubic meters and the area is 20,04 square meters. Now actually the volume and area are quite easy to calculate when we already know two things. We're not going to go into much detail into it, but when we know the cross sections area and boundary line. The cross sections area is rather simple. It's the area of that rectangle, h times b, minus the half of the circle's area. And the boundary line of the cross section is again the boundary line of a rectangle, which is h plus b times 2, minus what we don't have, which is this diameter, plus what we do have, which is the boundary line of half the circle. And these are really all easy to calculate. When we have the area of the cross section, we're going to multiply it with the depth of the detail, and we get the volume right away. And in order to get the full area of the detail, we need to take the boundary line of the cross section and multiply it with depth, and here we have all the sides and their area, and then when we take and add the area of both sides of the cross sections, we get the full area. So the area of the sides plus the area of the cross sections. Okay, so that we have already calculated. We are not going to go any further into these formulas in here, but we know that volume is 3,03 and full area is 20,04. Okay.